Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to enable raise to wake display on the Moto G87 5G. If you want to turn on your phone by just raising it to your face without pressing any buttons, I'll show you how. First, open Settings and scroll down to Home and Lock Screen. Tap on Lock Screen, scroll down to Sleep Display, and enable Lift to Show. There are other options like Tap to Show or Move to Show, but Lift to Show is the main one we'll use. Also make sure Sleep Display is enabled before you enable these options. Now if you turn off your phone and raise it to your face, it will show this screen right here, which is different from the usual lock screen. It's darker and shows a preview. Once you leave the phone alone, it turns off. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.